Watch my little farmer. Yes. Don't walk in the tall grass. Walk in the short ones. Yeah, this is a pretty, huh?
Yes, it's pretty.
This is where me and my grandparents used to come and tie up all our goats.
And mine too?
No, I don't think your goats come up here. Maybe they do. Oh, here.
That's the farm.
We used to go up to that little mountain over there with those big trees and put the goats over there.
Whoa,
Yeah.
I went from the goat farm. I went from that mountain.
Yeah.
We can walk to the mountains.
Like when people say, oh, you're born in a country? Yes. I was born in the country. Look at that vulture.
Whoa, it's easy, right?
Yeah.
That's outside there. You have to fly the way in there. But take Jamaica.
This is home.
Pass this way. What to eat sugar cane?
Yeah, Daddy loves. Mommy loves sugar cane too. You like it too.
What's the smell?
Ooh, what do you think it is?
Soapy?
Ooh, trash. We're not going any further, okay? Come on. Let's go.
Do you want to waste?
Watch out. I used to come back here with my grandparents, tie a goat. And now I'm coming back home. Look what God did.
All right, send them.
Go, go. Let go.
Yo.
Yo.
Where's that fish gone?
This one.
Flap.
Flat. How's it going?
Yeah.
Got it. No, you don't need that. You got it. Come. Come.
What are they doing? What the goat them?
The goat and the cow. I told him come inside, he said no, he wants to just hang out and keep an eye on the animals.
I feed him for the cow. Oh.
Okay, easy on the cow.
Okay, there you go. Room to run, eh? Yeah.
Okay,
Where you guys going?
to the back.
Hey, baby. Slow down.
Watch out for speed. Ready, steady, go! Did you take my video?
Yes, I will. Ready? All right.
Go!
Tell me, what's the structure right here?
A pen.
What kind of pen?
Huh?
What kind of pen?
A big, ginormous goat pen.
Yes.
And Mom,
Yeah?
and these ones are for the goat's face.
Yes, that's right. Each goat's gonna get their own little cubby, right?
Yes. Excuse me.
How many goats you think is gonna get in here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Okay.
That means I'm gonna get 12 goats.
12 goats?
Yes.
Well, you already have 3. So if you already have 3, how much more goats do you need to get 12? Let's count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's how many.
So how much is that? 9?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you need 9 more goats to fit in here?
Yes.
Oh wow. That's a lot of goats. But guess what? In reality, right? These are also gonna be cut in 2. Cut in 2. So that was gonna be more than 12 goats in here.
I'm gonna get this one's for Tom,
That one for Tom.
and this one's for Angela.
Mm-hmm.
That one's for Ginger,
Okay.
and this one's for Sparkles.
Oh, you're gonna get one named Sparkles?
And Jax.
Jax.
Lila, Gorgon, Adakai, and Gorgon.
Okay.
That's the name we'll call them.
Okay. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yay.
Mom,
Hmm?
one more record my speed.
Okay.
This is the last one.
Sure?
And jump, and go back to here.
Okay. You gotta look and be careful, okay?
And watch on the grounds. Now I'm gonna use some more Dragon 1 speed.
Okay.
Let's roll headbutt.
Okay.
Ready, steady, go. Let's roll it. Headbutt!
Oh, he jumping. If he ever headbutt me, oh gosh.
That was cool.
That was super cool.
Mom, you got distracted. Mom.
Come here. Come here. Angel. Come here, man. See, that's why me and Ginger flex. Right, Ginger? What you deal with? Can I come up? The question is more for me if me can come up.
Yes, can you come up?
Because it's steep.
How to fix it?
What weight level?
Anything.
Anything? Okay. Y'all, look how far. Look how far we have come. Tom have his own space. Boom boom.
Do you see his beard growing?
Oh gosh.
Come. Come, Papa, come. Come.
What you doing?
Come.
Come here.
Even his head and all, you see on his hair, he got one nice little mane.
Come here.
You see to the front? Yeah.
Alright.
You always have to be awkward. Always awkward. Just come up to
That's
the...
my middle name. Lord Jesus. No, seriously.
See,
Asia would have come up easy. Asia just run up.
Asia come up just like you.
Oh, just like this.
Yeah.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah, who that going to earlier? Hmm? Who that going to earlier? Boobs? Alright, Tom. Give me a bounce. Alright, bounce.
Afro and his little beard. Let me see the beard. Show me the beard. Come on. Up. Hold the handlebar. Hold the middle right here. Hold right
Are you sure you see your face?
I'm not gonna go fast.
Yeah, when you live in the country, it's you and the cows and the goats and everybody.